Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about the radian. Now what exactly is the radian? The radian is just a measure of angular displacement. In other words, it's just a unit that we use, just like degrees that we're familiar with. The radian is just a unit that we use to measure angles. Now how do we define it? Well, we have the following. The magnitude of a subtended angle in radians is equal to the ratio of the arc length to the radius of the circle. So the angle in radians is defined in terms of the circle. So to understand this visually, let's take a look at a circle. Here we have a circle. We know the distance from the center of the circle to the outer perimeter is the radius r. And if I was to make a sector of this circle,
Quick pause. If you're finding value in this explanation, there's so much more to discover. At Alt Academy, we break down every A-level concept with the same level of clarity. Now, let's continue.
I was to say that the subtended angle in radians, which is the central angle over here, the subtended angle is theta in radians, so theta radians. And the arc length, which is the outer perimeter of this sector, the arc length is denoted by the letter S. Now by definition, the subtended angle in radians is equal to the ratio of the arc length to the radius of the circle. So we can say that the subtended angle in radians, which is theta, is equal to the ratio of the arc length S to the radius r. And if we were to multiply both sides by r, we get the following expression. S is equal to r theta, where S is the arc length, r is the radius, and theta is the angle in radians. And looking at this expression, we can define the radian more specifically. 1 radian can be defined as the angle subtended from the center of the circle which intercepts an arc length equal to the radius of the circle. What that means is, by definition, if the angle subtended from the center was 1 radian, then the arc length would be equal to the radius. So if we look at the expression that we have, if theta was equal to 1, S would be equal to r times 1, so S would be equal to r. So by definition, 1 radian is the angle subtended from the center of the circle where the arc length is equal to the radius.
Now that that's taken care of, head over to our website to watch the rest of our A-Levels maths course. With 60,000 students trusting us, visit Alt Academy now and transform your A-Levels journey.